Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, today I'm back with the basic tutorial about how to log out or sign out from Amazon or Flipkart mobile application. This is a basic tutorial. Maybe some people not know this, that's why I'm making this video. So first let's start from the Amazon. When you sign in your Amazon account in your mobile, so there is no straightforward way to sign out. As you can see here on the home screen, there is no option given to sign out. Look at that. Okay, so where is the option is sign out on the Amazon? So for this, it's a simple thing. Go to this setting here and now click on setting option. Here you will see the sign out option. This is for Amazon. So click here and you will sign out. Okay. So this is for Amazon to sign out. Okay, after this, the Flipkart. The same thing on the Flipkart. There is no straightforward way or no home screen sign out option given. Here you can't see your sign out option. So for this you need to go these three lines and then click on my account here. Okay, so on the bottom you will see logout of this app. So you need to choose this one, logout of this app. Click on it and click yes, and that's it. Now you are logged out from both your Amazon and your Flipkart app from your phone. That is, it's very simple. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much guys.